What's cracking, YouTube? It's been a minute since we've been on here. We've been making progress in the shop though. I know we haven't posted, so I'm about to show you what's been going on. We got a lot of work done on Judy. We got a little bit of work done on the S10. We've just been so busy in here, I haven't even had a chance to film. So I'm going to turn you around. I'm going to show you what's been going on. We're going to be working on the lower link bars for Judy today. So here we go. It's going to be a fun one. Let's get it. So we'll start just with a little bit of S10 info. As you can see, it's on the frame table that we built, the new chassis table. Frame's a little rusty from sitting, but floor's finished up, all except for the center of the trans tunnel, which we're going to be getting the motor in, and we'll be finishing that up as well. So it's looking good. Dylan's been doing a good job on it. Also, let's bring you back here, kind of show you what's going on Judy. I know it doesn't look like much, but we got the lower arms started. Pretty cool. So today we're gonna kind of see what we want to do with them as far as finish the length, get the bungs welded in for the adjustable side. So let's get going. Right now I got this bar kind of set up where it's gonna mount. So we need to go in here and we're gonna have to cut it to what length we want it to be. Now the end on the axle is gonna be adjustable, but only about a ½ inch or so. So here's the end I was talking about, and you can see the mounts are tacked on there for the lower bars. So I gotta cut that to length and get the threaded bung welded in there. So I'm gonna set it up where we want it and then mark it and cut it. So we got these cut where we want them, outside deburred. What we're going to do now, deburr the inside just a little bit. Because our threaded bung is going to have to slide in there. So after struggling, I finally got the bungs in there. And I lost one somewhere. So I gotta find that little son of a bitch. Anyways, now I'm gonna get those TIG welded on there. I need one more for that piece right there. That's gonna be the upper wishbone mount. So hopefully I can find that other one somewhere. I'm gonna look for that, and then we're gonna come back and we'll be welding these. So we got the lower bars in place, tacked. That was fun by myself, that's why I didn't record it. Super far behind. We got the wishbone mount just held on there. We're kind of just looking at it right now. So that's what we're going to be building today. So right here we have the piece that we're building for the upper wishbone. I just got it clamped together right now, as you can see. So now we're going to go ahead and we're going to clean all the metal and prep the surfaces for welding. So it's just this plate, and then it's two pipes that are bent and coped. Again, like I always say, you want to clean everything up for the weld. It has to be nice, clean, no scale. The more you start out with cleaning, the better your welds are going to be. We got everything nice and clean. Now we're going to fit it where we want it. Clamp it back down again. Just going to clamp it in the center for now. Alright, so we're all done with this piece here. One more piece to the puzzle, of course. We'll get that put on here shortly. And then we're going to get after building the upper wishbone, so that's going to be the next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Hopefully this makes you want to get out in your shop and do some work. Appreciate everybody watching. Peace.